Hi, welcome to today's KJ and Tony Love France. In today's video, we're sharing with you another recent adventure that we took in Paris.
And this is a very unique adventure because if you go all through Paris, you find great patisseries, great boulangeries, great chocolatiers, but we found these all in one place, in one store, and it was almost overwhelming.
Along with restaurants from all over the world. So if you haven't guessed yet, it's a place called Le Gourmet, and it's one of the Galeries Lafayette, but it's a Galeries Lafayette that is dedicated to mostly food restaurants. It does have a floor or two of home goods as well. On our recent trip to Paris, we filmed a video all about Le Gourmet. So just to give you a setup of what to expect in this video, you're going to see us as we travel from the 6th arrondissement, which is where our hotel was located, and we go to the 9th, which is where Le Gourmet is located. And then we take you into the huge store, and we're looking for, our goal is to find shop owners who will talk to us. And
very few would. But the one who did
yeah,
was exceptionally helpful. And I think we ended up spending a lot of money there
we
too.
did.
In part because he was so helpful.
But also because what they sell is incredibly delicious.
But he went out of his way to explain everything, and you'll see that in the video.
As well as there were two, I would say, on this recent trip. We went twice, so you're going to see a mixture of, we're going to be in like two different sets of clothing because we went the first time and it was super crowded, even way too crowded to film because it was so crowded. It was during a France holiday.
I think it was a fall school vacation,
Right.
something like that.
And then we went back when the vacation was over and it was far more relaxed environment, not as crowded. And so we feature two of our favorites of the store. So, are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, let's go.
So we want to get off there, get out there. I don't know why, but my back feels the best it smells.
Oh, really?
Just a slight twinge first.
Oh, it's here.
It comes every 2 minutes. As long as you don't get nervous. Trying to catch a train, it's really pretty easy.
Sundays all day. Check posted notices on the trains and the stations and the official apps for detailed information. Our staff members are
Il nostro personale è a disposizione per aiutarvi a trovare il vostro percorso.
I think it's behind us.
It is. It's on the other side of
Yeah. Behind it, right?
the opera.
Boulevard Haussmann. Piéton, boulevard Haussmann.
This is a lot less crowded than than it was the other day. Oh, so
Downstairs is
it
the
is
bathroom.
three floors.
Yeah, but there's more floors above it.
Sure.
And it is
So it's
one
really more than 3 floors.
really
it's
5
5
floors.
I would love if they would talk to us at this truffle shop. The croissant.
right there.
Those are some big croissants.
You want to get some shit?
What are you getting?
And these and the croissant. Unbelievable. Very, very light, very buttery.
Taste here. Looks very pretty. Just don't even know how you can go about eating this. That's not going to work. It kind of tastes like, you know, those soft ice cream, what are they called that you get at Dairy Queen that they dip it in the chocolate and the strawberry? It's kind of like that texture coating, but it's delicious.
Quante comprassi?
This is called the cave. Oh, let's just look around.
one is called Aleno. We are the chocolate factory that makes chocolates without any sugar. We make sugar from birch tree actually, so it's this one. If you want to film it, we take this part of it and we make sugar with it, so it's less sugar and more flavorful.
Oh, from this part?
Yes, exactly. It's for birch tree. It's like the skin of the tree.
Yeah, it's
And so
delicious.
we make all of chocolates with this part of it. So it develops expensively the flavor because there is less sugar inside. We have some classic ganache, praline, and also vanilla from Tahiti, which is the best of the world.
Which is the best in the
Yes,
world?
one of the best.
Which
Usually,
one?
usually the vanilla from Tahiti, because usually we know when you have some vanilla, it's often from Madagascar, you know, so it's not that original. So we try to make discover people the Tahiti one, which is quite better.
So it's Tahitian.
Yes, exactly. Vanilla from Tahiti.
I think I'm going to have to get that one.
If you want, you can taste it. If you want to try it, it's vanilla from Tahiti. It's in a bonjour. So as you can see, it's quite different from the classic vanilla from Madagascar that you already may taste.
It's so good.
Yes, yes. This is one of the best sellers actually.
Merci.
Merci à vous. Chocolate.
It's sugar-free
Yes.
chocolate.
So it's healthier. Made it from
Healthier.
birch tree, right here.
Do you like it? It's really
Less
good.
sugar for more flavor.
I like that one.
Really?
Really good.
This is also my personal favorite actually. It's made from the praline box we have. And we have more flavor to propose you with the praline one. That's quite. You want to have chocolate also? Okay, with pleasure.
Oh, that is so good.
So what'd you think?
I thought it was great. I thought it was almost overwhelming. There was so many good things that I love. Whether you like chocolates, whether you like bakery goods or sandwiches or just coffee, all of those things, all high quality, all within about 15 feet of each other. And yes, every neighborhood in Paris has multiples of these, but this was nice because it was
All in one place.
in one place, and it was all terrific and unique.
Yeah, and there's even a grocery store type section on the bottom floor, and it reminded me of similar to a Whole Foods, like a high-end grocery store. So you could do your grocery shopping there. You can buy gifts for friends and relatives there. That's what we did, bought lots of chocolate. And also it's in an area that I call the trifecta for shopping, because on one corner is the men's Galeries Lafayette, on the other corner is the women's Galeries Lafayette, and then on the third corner is Le Gourmet, and plus a lot of other shopping in the area. So just right there in that area, such a great place. And if you've never been to Le Gourmet, we highly recommend that you check it out on your next trip to Paris. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for joining us, and I hope you'll join us again in the next video.
And don't forget to hit the subscribe button.
A bientôt!
Au revoir.